The love of our life is Lee Min Ho. We call him Oppa, of course not of the bro. Our day starts with him and ends on him. Meeting him is our only dream. There were his series like Secret Campus and Mackerel Run, though he was second lead, but watching him was fun. He worked hard and came a long way from second lead to main lead, making his own way. He got famous from Boys Over Flower. People started recognizing him and started sprinkling love showers. There he taught us you can be badass, but love can change you. Love can enter your life out of the blue. His next series was Personal Taste. There he taught us love is not time waste. About the confidence he taught us and not to allow people to look down on us. His next series was The City Hunter. In that he has done action like no other. He taught us to protect our love no matter how life makes the curve. His next series was The Fate. In that he taught us no matter which era's love it is, the love is always great. His next series was The Urge. In that he taught us loving by looking at status is the worst. He taught us you can love anybody no matter which status the other one belongs. Pure love always makes your life like the melodious song. His next series was Legend of the Blue Sea. In that he taught us you can love any creature and not only human beings like you and me. He taught us that the pure love is not just for one birth. You are connected to your love in all your rebirth. His next series was The King Eternal Monarch. The series was another hit that Lee Min Ho marked. In that he taught us to fight for love no matter which universe your love is in. After all the struggles, your love will always win. His recent series is his Hollywood debut known as Pachinko. He broke all the stereotypes of playing rich man character by playing Han Soo-ho. In that he taught us to survive one must fight and taught us never look back and always look forward and hold yourself tight. Other than these series, he has also done some movies. No matter series or a picture, he always nails the character. And other than the series and the movies, he has also shooted documentary DMZ The Wild, where the area is devoid to the humans and home to the wild. His upcoming series is Ask the Stars. He will always shine like the brightest stars. On his debut anniversary, we wish him today for his good health and great career. We will wish him every day. Also, we wanna say in every possible way, Lee Min Ho Oppa,